Dear students, in this video we are learning the worksheet page number 62, in which there are three exercises: exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. The first exercise A, that is tick the correct options, in which the first question, that is calcium and phosphorus are needed for option A blood, option B healthy bones and teeth, option C glowing skin. Calcium and phosphorus are the main building materials of bones and teeth. So the right answer, right option, that is option B, healthy bones and teeth. Now students, dengue is spread by option A rats, option B houseflies, option C mosquitoes. Children, we know that dengue is a dreadful disease spread by mosquitoes, a type of mosquito known as the Aedes mosquito. Not all the Aedes mosquitoes, the female Aedes mosquitoes. Now students, common cold, third question, common cold spreads through direct contact, foul air and house flies. Students, we know that common cold, that is caused by the rhinoviruses. It is spread by foul air, contaminated air. When we breathe, we get common cold. Now children, the exercise B, that is give two food items, food sources rich in, first one carbohydrates, two food items that provide us carbohydrates. First one is answer, that is cereals and sugar. Cereals like wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra, oats, millets, all these provides the carbohydrates. Sugar, jaggery, all these are also provide us the carbohydrates. Now children, roughage. Roughage is provided by vegetables and fruits. Roughage is the fibrous part present in our food. Roughage adds bulk to the feces. It prevents constipation and it ensures the easy removal of waste materials from our digestive system. The vegetables and fruits contain roughage. So we want to include these food items in our diet to get roughage in our body. So the sources are vegetables and fruits. Third question, that is vitamin A. The sources of vitamin A. Milk and butter. When we drink milk and eat butter, when we include these two in our food items, we will get vitamin A. Vitamin A is very good for the growth of eyes and functioning of our eyes and growth of hair in our body. Now children, proteins. Fourth question, that is proteins. Its sources are pulses and eggs. Pulses and eggs. Pulses like the moong, tuvar, arhar and chana, masoor, all these are the leguminous plants that provides us the pulses. All pulses provide us with the proteins. When we eat the eggs, we get proteins. Now students, the fifth one, that is iron. Iron is a mineral that is very much needed in our body. If there is a deficiency of iron, there will be the deficiency disease called anemia. There is less hemoglobin in our body, in our blood, and if there is less hemoglobin, the blood cannot carry enough oxygen to our organs. Hemoglobin's major ingredient is the mineral iron. So iron is very important in our body. Iron is provided by apples and bananas. Iron is provided by apples and bananas. Now students, the third exercise, the exercise C, fill in the blanks. Now children, fats. First question, fats. Actually dash gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. Children, we know that fats are needed in very little quantity. It will give double amount of energy that is provided by the carbohydrates. Now children, the second question, that is roughage helps the body to get rid of undigested food. The roughage that ensures the easy movement of waste materials from our digestive system. Now students, the third one, that is scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin dash. Scurvy is the disease in which there are the blood coming from the gums and teeth, and there are bad breath is there, cavities are formed on the teeth. This is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Fourth question, diseases like typhoid and pneumonia are caused by, that means the disease typhoid, dreadful disease, that is caused by Salmonella typhi. A microorganism lives in infected food. Pneumonia, there is congestion in the lungs, breathing problem, cough, that is the cough is settled in the lungs and the lung cavity. So that is caused by, it is spread by infected food and water. The microorganisms of these two diseases that enters into our body and cause this disease. Fifth question, AIDS is spread by a virus called dash. AIDS is actually not a disease. It is a condition in which immunity of our body is lost by the attack of a virus called human immunovirus. In short, it is known as HIV. When a person is affected by the virus HIV, that person is subjected to any disease. That means if a person suffering from dengue go near a person who has the HIV virus in his body, then that person may get dengue, and like any dreadful disease can occur to that particular person because his immunity is lost. The virus affects the immune system of the body. So children, these are the exercises that is given in page number 62. I hope you understood whatever things we studied. Thank you.